This is my bike ride to don't know where, but yeah, I'm just riding my bike around and decided that I wanted to decide to record. Oh yeah, it's Got to Love Games here. Just posting up a random biking video, and yeah. So my bike is built for off-roading, but maybe next time I'll upload an off-roading bike video. But right now it's just a regular biking video. I don't feel like uploading an off-road one right now. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swap the camera view. I'm Mr. Fire Hydrant. Papigina. Papigina. Oh yeah, don't feel like talking. Well, yeah, I'll talk. Oh yeah, and I'll be uploading a new Black Ops video with my new HD camera recorder. It's very nice. The reason the camera's a little shaky because it's on my iPhone, so I can't really ride it well. So I'm only, as you can see, I'm riding with one hand. All right. Base camp. You'll follow me on Instagram. Sam Matthew _107. Follow me. I'll follow you back. So yeah, here. Yeah, I guess sure. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and sit down with my best friend. She's reading a book to her son right now. Yeah, she has a son. This is her. Yeah, she's made out of metal though. I have no friends. I'm back to the riding. of bikes. If you guys aren't following Jacksepticeye, go subscribe to his channel, and you better follow him on all social media applications. I can leave hands back from the video. I hit him with my bat. Shit. Got social media and shit. Let me cut down on the shaking by slowing a bit down. Alright. If you're on iPad, I suggest you turn it sideways now. Filming Horton up, back to vertical. Alright, I'll be uploading a new video. Yeah, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.